I guess he has remote start. Look at this puppy. I already cracked it open. You gotta push this little button. Pull this guy out. And carefully, Wesley. You see where you sort of pry? Right there. Gently. This guy. Or this guy. That's not so tough. This is a little tougher. This stays. This goes. So let's get this puppy out. And she is a 2032. Put it right back in. And you've got a new battery. Oh, look, made in South Korea. Good. Pop it back on. Line it up. Push, push, push. Done. 1, 2, and 3. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.